Late night walk and talk, 2 a.m. to the walking street. The walking street area. Go down these stairs. Yeah, so this whole place is one big hangout spot. Um, a lot of cookies that live in the Lakandula district, barangay, whatever you want to call it, which is that ways. That's where I used to live. And the jeepney station. And you have a coming up to this food place that has a lot of benches. This place over here. I think it's open late night or 24/7. Seems like a little hangout spot around here. See, lots of people still hanging out. I think they sell food. It's called the Sing Sing Express. Looks like a little convenience store in there. As we continue our walk, it's the Astro Park. Yeah, I'm thinking they might keep the Astro Park and just make part of it, make part of the park the train station, not like the full park. Hello. Yeah, road's pretty much empty, easy to cross right now. So yeah, I'm thinking it would not be the wisest decision to get rid of like the whole park. Most likely they're gonna keep some of the park. in front of the Phillies. Nothing going on in front of the Phillies at this time. But uh, should we go through the walking street? Yeah, I guess we'll go through the walking street. Nothing else to do, really. Mega dance. Yeah, it looks pretty quiet. Pretty quiet right now. What is today? I think it's Monday. So, oh, it's Tuesday. Well, yeah. So it was Monday night. Yeah. So it's definitely gonna be slow. Uh, oh yeah, not really much to see. It's a lot brighter with the lights. It seems like. And we're gonna go down Santos Street. Take a little stroll down there. So yeah, the SM was fun. I enjoyed hanging out there. It's good. It's good, clean fun. Um, it looks like a lot of students there and workers, and it's kind of like a different crowd than from Balabago, like around here. And if you want, you could even get a beer in the Alpha Mart and that little convenience store that they have, and drink it at the Skyline upstairs at the SM. So that's kind of cool. You could get a little workout on the jungle gym. Do some dips, some hangs, pull-ups. Go on the monkey bars. Whatever you want to do. I actually tried the monkey bars. I didn't think that I could do it. And I didn't do it tonight, but the other night. And I actually went across the monkey bars. So I was kind of surprised I could still do that. So it's really good for the body, I think, to go there. To go there and kind of use the bars to stretch. little workout in. Johnny Street. Nothing going on over there. Massage parlors. So looks like two massage parlors, or maybe three of them. Three of them are still open. I never tried those. I don't know. I don't know if they're good or not. So, yeah. We have some cookies over here. Cookies, guys. Some cookies. So that corner is more busy. That corner was pretty busy. That was more busy than the Phillies over there. Huh. So, all right, guys. That was our walk. And I'll see you guys in the next one.